Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I'll show you how to use Blender. So if you're a beginner in using Blender and you don't know how to move things or basically just start using Blender, then this video is the right thing for you. So the first thing that we'll be discussing today is how do you actually move or see your object in the screen, because moving around your subject here is going to be really helpful, like seeing your model as it is. So yeah, so for you to see the 3D model itself or just basically rotate around it, then you'll have to press on your middle mouse on your mouse itself. So when you click on your middle mouse, you'll see that I'll be able to rotate on my subject here. Now, what if you want to view, like, for example, a specific section of your screen, like, for example, just move left and right or up and down? So there's actually a very easy way for that. Just hold on the shift key on your keyboard and just press on the middle mouse as well. So you'll be able to move left and right, up and down. So if you want to change view for that particular object, then you'll be able to do that. But once you've released the shift key, you'll be doing it the other way around, which is just revolving around it or basically rotating around it. So yeah, so that's it. So if you want to zoom in, you can just basically just scroll in and zoom out, just scroll out, and you'll be able to make things a bit larger. And same thing, you can just press on your mouse again, hold press on it, and you'll be able to rotate around it. Now, how do we do the other stuff here? So there's actually a thing called orthographic views. So you could actually use your numpad if you have a numpad on your keyboard. So basically when we press on 1, on 3, 7, 9, but you could just basically play around on it because there's like different views that you could see here, as you can see right now. So yeah, before I proceed here, I forgot to tell you guys about the axes we have on our Blender here. As you can see at the top right, we have the Z, Y, and X axis. So you have to be aware of what axis you're currently at, because this is really important later on when we start modeling our object here. Because yeah, also the axis here is actually connected with your numpad keys. So when I press on 1, it's going to go to Y. Press on 3, it's going to X. 7, it's going to go to Z. And yeah, you can just basically play around this one, but usually what I use right now the most is actually 1, since it is the Y axis and I have the direct front view of my object here. So yeah, so next thing that you want to do here is we want to start basically moving our object here. So how do we start moving our object? Well, before we start moving, we actually have our modes here. So right now we're in object mode, which is basically just what's saying object mode. So you could just basically just move your object around here. You will not be able to edit it. So here, let's go to maybe here in edit mode. So there's two modes here are the most important thing, or modes that you should learn first. So yeah, when we go to edit mode, you'll be able to edit your object here, and when we go to object mode, you'll be able to basically just edit your object itself. So yeah, how do you move this object itself? So here, you just need to make sure that you've selected your object. So you know that you selected your object if it's highlighted, as you can see right now. There's a green highlight around it. So when you press on G, you'll be able to actually move your object around here. But as you can see, it's not consistent. It's not going in a specific place, because right now, as you can see, it's just moving randomly when I press on it. So yeah, so there's no specific direction on it. So yeah, one thing that you could do here is you could just basically press on your middle mouse. So for example, I'm the Y axis here. When I press on my middle mouse, it's going to lock itself in the Y axis. So when I press on the X axis, it's going to lock itself into the X axis here. But yeah, so one more thing that you could do. So if you have your hand already on the keyboard, you could also press on your keys Z, X, and Y so to lock that specific object to that specific axis. So when I press on X while I'm on the move button here, as long as you're moving the object, just press on Z. It's going to lock itself on the Z axis. Press on X, it's going to lock itself on X, and press on Y, it's going to lock itself in the Y axis. But yeah, that's how you move your object here. Now, next thing, since we already know how to move our object, next thing we want to do is we want to basically start editing our object. So let's switch over to edit mode. Let's go to edit mode,